Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today we will explore one of the most exciting advances in neuroengineering, right from Switzerland. Imagine being paralyzed for over a decade, unable to walk, climb stairs, or feel the ground beneath your feet. Now imagine walking again, just by thinking. Yes, no miracles, no magic, just pure science. So what happened actually? In 2023, a team of scientists from EPFL in Switzerland, led by Professor Grégoire Courtine and neurosurgeon Jocelyne Bloch, together they developed a device. That device was a brain-spine interface. What was their purpose of developing that device? To reconnect the human brain to the spinal cord after a devastating injury. Yes, same thing happened actually with a man named Gert-Jan. In a cycling accident, that man's spinal cord was injured, that was damaged, and after that he couldn't even walk. So those two scientists, means that professor and that neurosurgeon, together they actually electrodes were implanted in that man's brain as well as spinal cord. Electrodes were introduced. Okay, and then what happened? His brain signals, that man's brain signals, were decoded in real time by an AI algorithm. And this way actually they bypassed the damaged region of the spinal cord. And the brain signals were transmitted directly to the spinal cord, wirelessly. So this thing happened. And when that man, I am talking about that injured man, Gert-Jan, when he thought about walking, his muscles in the legs were activated and he could walk. And within a few weeks, he could even climb stairs. So this thing happened. So you can see that this is a medical breakthrough in the field of actually neuroengineering. They successfully connected human brain to spinal cord wirelessly. And the movement of the muscles were not random at all. Okay, according to the need, the patient could use his muscle according to his need. Okay, that movement of the muscles were not random actually. By using all these devices, means electrodes, I am talking about that spinal implant, that brain implant. Again, the scientists used robotic gait trainers. Okay, so various things they used and all were sensing together. Anyway, I am not talking about the details they used actually in their research work. I am talking about just the achievement, how they successfully connected the human brain to the spinal cord wirelessly, and the brain signals were decoded successfully. And since that was successful, that's why the patient, Gert-Jan, could move, could climb stairs, according to his thoughts. Anyway, so this was their achievement. So this is a breakthrough in the field of neuroengineering, or you can say in the field of neuroscience, rehabilitation. That means we are going to see soon the case of paralysis as a reversible one. Means we are going to enter an era where paralysis will become reversible. Can you say this thing right now after this achievement? Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, okay? And the total technology, they used actually various things. not only electrodes. You can see there are so many things actually. So those things will be discussed in a separate video. What were the things they used actually in their research work. So main thing of discussion was just they successfully reconnected the human brain to the spinal cord and bypassed the injured part of the spinal cord. Data were transmitted wirelessly from the brain to the required region, that is spinal cord, and accordingly the patient would be able to move his, he could be able to use his muscles, okay, according to the need. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video informative, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.